In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and access it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour, and when you're ready, save it by clicking OK. Then tap on repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays only. Now click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm if you want to and save it by clicking on OK. Then tap on this bell icon, select one of those melodies, add the alarm sound by clicking at the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on this icon again, but this time select add new. Pick music from your device by tapping on the top left corner, selecting one of the sources like downloads, tapping on the chosen song, and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, you can do that by tapping on delete. And as you can see, now it's gone. You can also adjust even more alarm settings by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting settings. Then customize them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!